This video is for all of you who love to catch and cook trout. I'll be sharing with you a great little cooking tip for how to know when your trout is finished when cooking them whole. Trout live in beautiful places, they're fun and challenging to catch, and they're also delicious and nutritious to eat. One of the most popular ways of preparing and eating trout is to cook them whole, either in the oven or on the grill. A common question that people have when cooking them whole is, how do I know when they're done? After all, trout don't have a pop-up timer like a Thanksgiving turkey, or do they? Believe it or not, trout do, in fact, have a built-in pop-up timer. It's located right in their eye. When cooking a whole trout, its pupil will distinctly pop up or out when the fish is done and ready to eat. Let's have a look. So there you have it, my friends. That's a super easy and rather unique way to tell when your fish is ready to take off the grill or out of the oven. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see lots more like it, be sure to subscribe to this channel. And check out the 3 Minutes Outdoors website at 3minutesoutdoors.com.